Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your VW Golf wing mirror indicator. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a T10 torque screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your brand new indicator light assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface, with the ignition turned off before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for you. Next, we will carefully remove the mirror glass. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry the glass away from the housing. Once loose, disconnect the two electrical connectors that power the mirror's heating elements. After that, carefully unclip the painted mirror cover. It is held by several retaining clips, so take your time to release them without causing any damage to the plastic components. Now, with the cover off, you can access the indicator. You will find 3 T10 torque screws holding the indicator housing in place. Unscrew these carefully. Then, disconnect the electrical connector from the old indicator unit. Once disconnected, you can remove the old unit and install your new one. Make sure the electrical connection is firmly secured to the new indicator before proceeding. Finally, let's reassemble everything. First, carefully reattach the painted mirror cover, ensuring all its clips snap securely into place. Next, reconnect the two electrical connectors to the mirror glass heating elements. Then, gently push the mirror glass back into its housing until you hear it click, indicating it is securely seated. Lastly, test your new indicator light to confirm it functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.